Get ready for the battlefield with these rough and tough yet equally functional tactical military gear. These tactical gear items allow anyone to stay prepared to get the job done every time. And that's why today we have these 11 must-have tactical military gear and gadgets to talk about.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Starting the video with a full-face respirator CM8M gas mask. A respiratory mask can save the day. More importantly, can save your life when stuck in the most suffocating situations. MIRA is a trusted brand associated with 12 military institutes worldwide. It comes with 6 adjustable harnesses, which ensures perfect fit. Furthermore, these harnesses can be attached with other gear like flashlight, compatible with night vision goggles, thermal optics, and many more. With so many extensions, surprisingly it doesn't feel claustrophobic inside because the next-gen CM8M mask has a new visor shape. This shape offers a panoramic field of view that provides 92.5% maximum field of view, most in the industry. Kimono Nero, or black kimono. Whatever one may call, this automatic knife from Extrema Ratio is here to dominate any tactical scenario. With a 4mm long spear point blade and a sharp partial false edge, this knife offers anyone a serious piercing power during a tactical mission. Furthermore, smooth and reliable automatic opening neglects any kind of accidental impacts, while its pommel makes it more practical to break glasses during emergencies. Lightweight build with Bowler N690 blade steel ensures a promising performance in the wilderness, while the anodized anti-corrodal aluminum handle makes it grippy enough. Up next, we have the Guardian Chest Rig, a convenient and extremely practical military carry to keep all those tactical accessories adequately organized. Made with 100% nylon, the Guardian is durable for any tactical operation, while its universal fit includes both X or H harness for its user. In addition, 3 double-fixed pockets can easily hold up to 6 AR or AK magazines, so that users never run out of ammunition. Interestingly, this one's compatible with hydration systems, thanks to its loops on shoulder straps. These pouches are deep enough to carry different numbers and sizes of the magazines. At the same time, the height of the pouches can be adjusted through its flaps for a better fit. Get ready for the battlefield with the Amabilis Responder. At first glance, it looks like a nice and regular jacket from the outside, but once you get into it, it's understandable why the Responder is on this list. It is made with the best of both worlds, cotton's comfort and nylon's unparalleled durability. This is why the Responder is not only a uniform piece of military wear, but also be worn for longer hours. The jacket is reinforced with an additional coating of armor plating which prevents shoulder pain or abrasion when carrying heavy backpacks and provides a better fit. Moreover, the jacket has a total of 10 pockets with laser-cut mole patterns, and many of them are nicely hidden for a discreet operation. Now, to carry all these gear and gadgets, it's important to have a strong bag like a Tiburon from Maxpedition. And we all know Maxpedition's reputation for producing top-quality backpacks is no fluke. It has a set of individual compartments to carry your gadgets, gears, and clothes, and so much more. It also comes with a padded pocket to carry a laptop or a tablet. The middle compartment can be locked for additional security, while the easy zippers are very quick to open and close these compartments. Moreover, Tiburon is widely acknowledged and recognized. After all, it has been tested in more than 2,000 scenarios in real-world situations by NTOA. Your mission needs a rough and tough phone that can survive anything, and not many smartphones get as rugged as the Ulefone Armor 15. Why so? Well, its incredible build quality comes from IP68 and IP69K certification. Therefore, it can easily tackle any extreme conditions. Moreover, for extreme military operations, it is drop resistant from up to 1.5 meters. Armor 15 shear strength is certified with shockproof, waterproof, and military standard MIL STD 810G certifications. But at the same time, Armor 15 is sophisticated enough to hide a TWS inside its body for better communication and entertainment purposes. These urban tactical pants are more than just comfortable and durable for any critical. They have their own cult following. Well, when tactical pants like these can stay so low-key and sober to retain anonymity, being popular is just a dividend. Usually, tactical pants are not known for their comfort. They are painful if you wear them for a long time. But not this time. UTP's comfort comes from the perfect fit of an elastic waistband with a Velcro fastener to combat and shift anonymity in any situation. At the same time, its thoughtful and fine design comes with different types of pockets and cuffs to carry any tactical essentials. ProTac 2.0 is a high-performing flashlight made to win over any tactical situation. It is a light, compact, and powerful flashlight that can produce a peak 2000 lumens without sacrificing its runtime. And the ProTac shows its versatility, as it can be a great addition to your EDC collection. The flashlight is powered by the new Streamlight B50 battery pack. This new generation battery package charges from both inside and outside using a USB-C port. Lastly, its IP67 rating proves how reliable the ProTac is when the weather gets extreme. The Cobra is a sleek modular range belt that doesn't mind remaining in shadow, but can burst out of any situation where a tactical response is necessary. This belt is made for the people who don't like big chunky belts but prefer smaller yet handy ones. The Cobra is 45mm wide to carry all the tactical gear, yet weighs only 280 grams. Its solid quality comes from stiffened loop Velcro and is equipped with a mold to attach the necessary pouches and holsters. Diving straight into the battle or any tactical scenario without a med kit would be foolish. And that's why we kept a kit like the Competition in this list. A compact, light med kit that is equally practical to carry is something that no one can underestimate. In fact, Competition goes above and beyond against its competitions. It is designed to be more than just a first aid kit. Competition's belt sleeve design can also be used as a holster. The kit is made of two-part construction that can be unfolded when in need and can carry every medical supplies from minor injuries to equipment to treat life-threatening emergencies. Romeo 2 is one of the robust reflex optics that you can find in the market. Yes, what it is capable of doing is broad and complex, but not the installation. Rather, the whole process is easy and very practical. The Romeo 2 series comes in 3 models, and the case is the same. The series offers 3 different minute of angle dots and a complete circle dot with 15 brightness settings to ensure rapid target lock. It also features a molded glass aspheric lens that ensures high-performing light transmittance and zero distortion for precise target. So, that was our list of 11 must-have tactical military gear and gadgets. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, gooutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.